Welcome back to a simple file upload using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. Now, in the previous video, we highlighted the JavaScript code that validates uploaded data before sending it to a PHP script process upload. This is the script process upload. So when the user submits the form, this is the PHP script that is validating every information before moving the uploaded file to our file server. Now, in my case, this is a local host development environment. It follows the same approach. Even if you're using a remote server, every step remains the same. Once the form is submitted, we want to target the email, selected options, and the file that has been uploaded by the user. Now, in the previous video, I've shown how you can do simple server-side email validation. I've created an array with a list of extensions. Any extensions outside of this list will not be uploaded to my file server. I've used the upload.php function to target the file that the user has uploaded, and I've used the explode function to split the file name into two parts, and I've used the inArray PHP function to match the user's file extension with predefined extensions in my array. Now, if the user uploads an extension that is not allowed in my system, then I immediately want to display the error message. The next step is to verify the size using the file's upload name. I did a simple evaluation to check if the size is more than 10 megabytes. If the file is greater than 10 megabytes, I immediately want to display an error message. So immediately our validation is complete. I want to simply sanitize, and I've used the preg replace function to replace any characters other than this within the file name. This is a directory where the file will be. And I've created a simple object here to have the value of a link. So when a user uploads their file, they can simply click on the link to view the uploaded file on their browser. Now, I've used the move uploaded file function, which is an inbuilt PHP function. The file will be moved to the predefined directory you have mentioned within your script. And in my case, it is stored files. So this is my htdocs folder. I'm in my XAMPP and I've gone into my htdocs, and this is the directory stored files. So let's delete these images that I've uploaded previously, and let's re-upload so you can see for yourself. Let's upload a file. This is a docs file, a Microsoft Word document. And as you can see, it has uploaded successfully. When I click, it actually downloads the file. But in my stored files directory, the file is in fact here. Let's try another image. So there you have it, a simple file upload using PHP. So to recap, we have a simple form that validates the file, verify the size of the file that has been uploaded, and the extension type that the user has uploaded before moving it to a specified directory. Using PHP and JavaScript, we've been able to build a simple file upload form. Now in the next video, I will be highlighting a file upload using a progress bar. Alright guys,